Indeed, we've made real progress, but the fight for equality is far from over. For this reason, the government keeps pushing for policies that work for all, especially women. Lagit-lagi para sa bayan. Inahangaan ko po kayo lahat.
Gender equality is not a slogan. It is a standard that must reflect in how we operate every day.